So we have the parabola that's in the form of this. Okay, in this case, a is going to be 1, h is going to be 3, and k is going to be minus 1. A is greater than 0, so we know that the parabola has to face upwards. Combining these two, the vertex has to be at 3, negative 1. And the axis of symmetry, right, is going to be when the x value is equal to h, okay? So when I want to draw this, right, there's 1, 2, 3, here's negative 1. Okay, it's upward facing, so if I plug in for 2, what do I get? Right, I get 2 minus 3 squared minus 1, so that's going to be negative 1 squared, so that's 1 minus 1, so that's 0. So we actually found our two x-intercepts right here. Right, and the reason why this point is the same as this is because the axis of symmetry lies right here. Okay, so we got that, right? And now if you want to figure out, right, the x-intercept is that x is equal to 2 and 4. Well, for the y-intercept, what we need to do, right, is solve for when x is 0, what is y? Okay, so when this is 0, you just get minus 3 squared minus 1. That's 9 minus 1, which is 8. So eventually it's going to hit the y-axis here at 8. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, and eventually it's going to cross through here.